डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज मेरे साथ मेरा स्टूडेंट यशवर्धन है। यशवर्धन की स्टोरी बड़ी ही मोटिवेटिंग और बड़ी यूनिक है। लेट मी नाउ टेल यू अ बिट अबाउट यशवर्धन। जैसा आपने देखा है, यशवर्धन ने टाई जो पहनी हुई है वो RIMC की है। अब इसके पीछे का जो राज है मैं आपको बताता हूं। यशवर्धन मेरे पास अप्रोक्सीमेटली आज से 2-2.5 साल पहले जब कोविड चल रहा था तब आया था। क्यों आया था? वो इसलिए, ये और इसकी मदर बैंगलोर से मेरे पास आए थे फॉर अ वेरी वेरी टिपिकल सिचुएशन वेयर बिकॉज ऑफ मेडिकल रीजंस ही हैड टू लीव RIMC। RIMC ने बोला कि आपको फ्लैट फुट होने के कारण अभी हम कंटिन्यू नहीं करवा सकते। ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज। अब मेरे पास आकर उन्होंने बोला, सर ड्रीम है NDA जाना, और वो भी अपने बैचमेट्स के साथ ही। एंड आई सेड, सन इफ यू आर डिटरमाइंड आई एम देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट। फ्रॉम देन ऑनवर्ड्स वी हैव हैड अ वेरी क्लोज एसोसिएशन। इन्होंने यही एक स्कूल के अंदर एडमिशन लिया। ही एक्सेल्ड इन दैट, kept coming to me. Thereafter he started preparing for his NDA as well as for 12th. Today he is qualified in the written, SSB भी क्लियर हो गया है और मेडिकल भी क्लियर हो गया है। 12th भी उसने अपने एग्जाम्स पूरे कर लिए हैं एंड नाउ ही इज ऑल सेट टू ज्वाइन NDA इन जून 2024। अब मैं चाहता हूं कि अपनी इस जर्नी के बारे में उन्होंने यहां आकर के क्या सीखा उसके बारे में यशवर्धन हिमसेल्फ विल टेल यू। ओवर टू यशवर्धन।
Good afternoon, everyone. I'll start with a brief introduction about myself. I am Yashwardhan Bhansali. I hail from Rajasthan. My mother is a teacher. She teaches spoken English online. My father is a director of operations, currently living in Africa. I came to Chamula sir in the year 2021. The first advice he gave me was to be honest, and that was one of the best advice I have received from him. I have followed that from that year since, and it has helped me in building my character. I have come here for the coaching for the written and the SSB. While I was a little weak in the mathematics portion, Chamola sir helped me and also guided me through the topics that I was weak in and gave me tips and tricks about things I should focus on. In the SSB portion, during the psychometric test, he advised me not to put myself in a box and also adapt to every situation. Since if I put myself in a box and I go there, then if the interviewer changes the questions a little bit, then I'll find myself in a fix. His advices helped me a lot and have been a major contributing factor in the person I am today. Thank you.
Okay, यशवर्धन, अभी मुझे ये बताओ, how did you sail over the two things, that is written examination of NDA as well as 12th simultaneously? कितना एफर्ट लगाया और SSB के लिए क्या स्पेशल तैयारी की?
Yes.
Please tell for the benefit of others.
When the written examinations of NDA were conducted, during that time the midterm examinations in my school were also happening. It was kind of a boon and a bane because I got to study mathematics of my school, which helped me for the NDA returns. But also it was kind of constricting because I could not focus on the GAT portion. I came to Chamola sir and there was evening classes held regularly. I was regular in that and I used to stay up at nights and wake up early in the morning. Staying up at nights, I used to call some of my friends home and I used to revise with them. They used to quiz me and I bought a whiteboard in my home and I used to write the solutions for mathematical problems in there. I focused mainly on mathematics because that was a weaker portion and I made progress in that. For the SSB, I came to Chamula sir for a month before SSB during the months of December and January. During that time, my pre-boards were happening, and again I used to take alternate days of holidays from my school and come to the academy to train for the SSB.
Okay, now that you all have heard him, my only advice is he is a person who's done extremely well through his hard work, made his parents proud, made us proud. जिंदगी में इस बच्चे से सीखना है, नेवर गिव अप. 24 घंटे को 26 घंटे कैसे बनाना है, इस बच्चे ने किया है और हमको सिखाया है. आई एम वेरी श्योर, टेक अ लीव फ्रॉम हिज लाइफ and you will all succeed. Thank you very much.